Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is McCleskey. Today I'm going to be doing a quick lip swatch video for you guys using the new Buxom Wanderlust Collection. These are the full-on plumping lip creams. There are 6 shades, so this should be really short and sweet. If you like the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload, and let's go ahead and get swatching. Okay, so like I said, these are part of their new collection. This is a temporary collection. It is supposed to remind you of like a tropical vacation. So they have a really light coconut scent, kind of reminds me of like a pina colada. So these are infused with a hyaluronic acid booster, and they have a unique peptide complex. So this is a shimmer-free gloss that's meant to plump your lips for an ultra plump pout. It's just a slight tingle when it's doing the plumping, so it's nothing crazy or super out there. I wore it for quite a few hours earlier today and I didn't have any problems with it irritating my lips or anything like that. It wasn't like a burny sensation like some plumping glosses are. So if you're somebody that's worried about being too sensitive to these, I guess I wouldn't worry about it personally, but I guess just use caution whenever you're trying a new product. So they also have a little bit of a coconut flavor to them. So if you're somebody who likes flavors, which I do, you would probably like these as well. So you can wear these alone or over a lip balm, or you can line your lips using like the Buxom Plumping Lip Liner or just any liner that you have. You can wear it over a lipstick or just alone, which is what I'm going to be showing you right now. And these retail for $21. You can find them at Macy's, Ulta, or Sephora. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the swatches. So the first shade I'm going to do is a pretty nude bronze shade. This is the shade Seychelles Breeze. So that's just with dipping into this one time. As you can see, it's super glossy, but it's not glittery at all, which I like, so it feels very smooth on my lips. The next shade I'm going into is called Dolly Daiquiri. This one is a mauve toned gloss. It's like a pinky purple shade, a true mauve gloss. I think this is going to be one of my favorites for spring. It's super pretty and gives my skin like a really nice glow appearance. The third shade is called Havana Punch. This is a rose shade gloss. So this one definitely looks more pink than the other one. The next shade is called Ibiza Bomb or Ibiza Bomb. I don't know if you say Ibiza or Ibiza. I always hear people say Ibiza, like a TH. I've never been there, so I don't know. So this is just a pink. Ooh, matches my backdrop. I might have to wear this one for Valentine's Day. It's really pretty for spring too. So then just 2 shades left. The next one is called Mykonos Sunrise. This one is a peach shade, which I also love peach lipsticks. Ooh, yes. This is like the perfect peach gloss, seriously. Sometimes they look like too orange, but this one has like the right amount of peach and pink in it. Last one is called Goa Gimlet. Or Goa Gimlet, G-O-A. That's how it's spelled. This is a berry shade. So this is the deepest shade out of all 6. I know I said the other one matched my backdrop, but this one really does. Like blends in over there. Sorry guys, my camera died and then I started to make tacos and came back. So this is just a pretty berry shade. I feel like it makes my teeth look really white, so that's a perk. But yeah, so these were all 6 shades of the Buxom Plumping Lip Cream. Let me know what you guys thought of them. Let me know what shade is your favorite and what your thoughts are on these glosses. If you've picked any up, let me know how you're liking them. So I've had this gloss on now for about like 20 minutes, so tell me if you see any plumping effects going on from before, or if you can tell a difference from the beginning of the video. I think it did give me a little bit of a plumping effect. It's nothing like where my lips look abnormally large or anything. I think it's really natural. The tingling effect is actually kind of cooling, so it feels really nice. The formula is really smooth. Just a tiny bit sticky maybe, but I feel like you get that with any gloss. It's not like really sticky like some are. So I really like the formula of this. The shades are gorgeous. They do remind me of vacation, and hopefully summer will be here soon because it's snowing so much outside today and I hate it. Ugh. But anyways, the scent of these will get me through to summer. I hope. I hope we make it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my lip swatch video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this. If you did like it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.